Hi, this is our journey, an unforgettable adventure across the Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand Growth Triangle. Our journey begins in the serene highland of Takengon, Aceh Regency, Indonesia, known as the land above the cloud. Takengon is a hidden gem in the Imt-Gt region. From the breathtaking Lake Lut Tawar to its rich Gayo culture and world-class coffee, it's a paradise waiting to be explored. From Takengon, we traveled by my car to North Sumatra Airport, anticipating the exciting journey ahead. Our first stop was Penang, Malaysia. The street of Georgetown came alive at night with dazzling light, vibrant murals, and the aroma of local delicacies filling the air. The next day, we took the funicular railway up Penang Hill, where breathtaking views of the island awaited us. A ferry ride to Butterworth was an adventure in itself, offering a picturesque perspective of Penang's coastline. 2 days later, we boarded a train from Butterworth to Padang Besar, crossing borders and soaking in the landscape as we journeyed to Hat Yai in Thailand. In Hat Yai, Songkhla Province, we dive into the vibrant ASEAN Night Market, delighted our doctor at Chang Pua Camp, and marveled at the giant reclining Buddha at Wat Hat Yai Nai. The flavors of Thailand came alive as we savored satay at Lake Garden Night Market. A perfect way to end our day. Through this journey, we connected with cultures, landscape, and people across the Imt-Gt region, making memories last a lifetime. Discover your dream because dreams are meant to be lived.